Alright guys, well, I started putting the truck back together yesterday in a frenzy. Like I said, I just got back. I'm trying to organize all that giveaway stuff. Finally starting to get some addresses on that. But in my rush to kind of slap shit together and get things moving on this thing, I realized that I didn't film doing the headliner. So what I've done so far is I bought some fabric that you see here from Walmart, and I could have laid it down a little better. It looks like I'm off a little on the back edge, so it's not perfect, and there's a couple wrinkles and stuff in it. I'm not too worried about all that, but what I did do is I pulled off the old material, right? Not the foam. You want to leave the foam material. You just want to pull off the fabric. And then I sprayed it down with a healthy dose of this Loctite spray adhesive. This is the heavy duty professional grade, so to speak. And I coated the whole thing really well. And then I laid this down. And you just start from the center, working out your edges. Now you're going to hit things like this. I know it's hard to see in the video, but like there's indentations here for the visors to rest in. So you want to take extra care trying to make sure it feels like this corner's still up a little bit, but the rest of it's secure. It should be all right. It looks okay. And then the edges here, I have some wrinkles and some bubbles, so to speak, a little, but I don't think it's going to be anything that's going to hurt us real bad. Now, we can always touch up the edges really easy, but the center and those areas you're not going to be able to touch up as easily. So, make sure to get that nice and smooth and flat and just work it out slowly with your hands, pressing it down firm. All right, so then we're going to let that dry a little bit, but we should be good. There might be some spots, you know, that could be better, but it's a quick, dirty job on a $500 truck. Now, I went with this gray plaid because the seats got kind of a similar color scheme, and the interior of the truck, what's left of it, is gray anyway. So that's where we're at, guys. Take your time. If you're doing like something you care about, like a hot rod or something like that, you want to take your time, make sure you get all the wrinkles out and be a little more precise. But if you're just trying to go for a quick job, this is going to be more than satisfactory for you, and it's going to look light years better than it did. The adhesive is going to make sure that this doesn't drop down on you. That's why we're going to give it time to cure and be fully ready.